Hello students, today we will study Sanskrit subject lesson number 1 Chitrapadani 1. Okay, in lesson number 1 there are Chitrapadani 1, 2 and 3, but today we will learn about Chitrapadani 1. Okay, now in this topic we have to learn about these two words, Eshah, Sah. Here Eshah means this. Eshah means this. We use these to refer to people and things that are close to us. As like this is a chalk. Okay. Now Sah. Sah means that or he. In Sanskrit, Sah means that or he. We use that to refer to people and things that are more distant, means far away from us. As like that is a fan. Okay. Now here Eshah means this, Sah means that or he. Right? Okay. Now look at the sentences. Look at in your textbook. You can see the pictures. Here Chitrapadani 1. Chitrapadani means words through pictures. Here pictures are also given and the sentence are given below the pictures. Now here is a parrot and a girl. Now this girl says that Eshah Shukah. Eshah Shukah. This is a parrot. Now see the next. Saha Mayurah. Saha Mayurah. That is a peacock. The peacock is far away from this girl. So she says Saha Mayurah. That is a peacock. Eshah Shwanah. This is a dog. Eshah Shwanah. This is a dog. Sah Sinhah. That is a lion. Eshah Gajah. This is an elephant. Sah Ashwah. That is a horse. Here you can see the sentence with Eshah. Eshah Shukah means this is a parrot. All these words Shukah, Shwanah, Gajah, Mayurah, Sinhah, Ashwah, the words ending with visarg and ending with the vowel a, these words are called masculine gender, as we already learned in 6th and 7th standard, right? Okay. Now when we make sentence, Eshah Shukah, we have to add Eshah into the words. When we want to write this is a parrot, here the word Shukah, but when we want to write that this is a parrot, we have to add Eshah. Eshah Shukah. Eshah is the masculine word. Eshah is the masculine word ending with a. Eshah Shukah. This is a parrot. Eshah Shwanah. This is a dog. Eshah Gajah. This is an elephant. We also learned that these two dots is called visarg. Sah Mayurah. That is a peacock. That it is used when the person or thing is far away from us. Sah Sinhah. That is a lion. Sah Ashwah. That is a horse. Okay. Now you have to write all these sentences in your notebook properly. You have to read and write all these sentences in your notebook, and you have to remember that all these words, all these sentences are indicate the masculine gender. It ends with a vowel a and this visarg. Okay. Now we can add one word also in this word to make a complete sentence. Eshah shukah. It is also a complete sentence, but we can also add one word into it. Eshah shukah asti. Eshah shukah asti. Asti means is. Asti means is. Eshah shukah asti. This is a parrot. एषः श्वानः अस्ति. This is a dog. अस्ति means is. एषः गजः अस्ति. This is an elephant. सः मयूरः अस्ति. That is a peacock. सः सिंहः अस्ति. That is a lion. Sah ashwah asti. That is a horse. You can add here asti. If you write only Eshah Shukah, then also it is a complete sentence, and you can write like this also, Eshah Shukah Asti. Okay. Now you have to read these sentences and write them in your notebook. Okay. We will discuss about the feminine and the neuter gender in the next session. Thank you.